In this video, here are the items that you need to make this bracelet. This bracelet is going to be, I'm aiming for Father's Day, but it also can be for a woman. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our string, and we're going to make, since I'm aiming to do it for a man, we're going to aim at 8 inches, but we're going to cut extra just to have enough room to finish the ends. So I'm just going to cut it at 12 inches. And the first thing we're going to do, again, we're going to go ahead and put our beads in the beads for the chakras. Okay, so here's our chakra beads. So now we're going to go ahead and put our charm. You can put it in either way. It really doesn't matter. So we put out in our charm. And that's what's going to be right here in the middle. So now we're going to add the same amount of beads on the two sides to complete 8 inches. So I'm going to start by doing 6 on this side and 6 on the other side. And then we're going to go ahead and measure it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have 6 on each side. And I'm going to go ahead and measure. And this is a little bit 6.5. So I think I'm going to put 2 in each side. These sell really good for either for men or for ladies who have a thick hand and arm, because they can't find anything like that big. My mother is a 2 extra large grandma, and so she needs, whenever she wants a bracelet, I usually make it for her because she can't find anything. The standard size for women is 7 and for men is 8. So it's very close to the 8. So now these plus the closing and the ends that we're going to use, that should be good enough. So here comes the fun part. Then the video before this one, I make this, which is out of elastic string, and it was super easy to make. This one, it's a little more work to it. So we're going to go ahead and put our crimp. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to go ahead and put the one here. We're going to go ahead and put it through there. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and press this to make it flat. Let me bring it up. So you're going to grab it and you're going to go all the way at the top and go ahead and squeeze it. Then you're going to bring this up. Now we put a very tiny drop of glue inside, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and close it, clean it up, and we go ahead and close right here, close it so that we can put the rest of the things to finish up one side. So that's already closed. Then we're going to get our ring, which is the 6mm ring. We're going to open it this way, never this way, because then it's hard to put it back round like it is. So you go ahead and put it in there, and you put your closure. You go ahead and put it back. And there it is. There you go. Okay. Now we go on the other side. And we go ahead and do the same thing. We put the crimp to inside. Here you go. And then we're going to put the next part inside. This is going to be a little different because now we're going to go ahead and tie everything up. I encourage you to put the bead tip all the way to the end, and then here's the crimp bead. You're going to grab it and you're going to bring it all the way to the bottom, but holding it so that you can bring it inside, just like that. Bring it inside and go ahead and press, and that way it doesn't leave any spaces. So there you go. Now we do the same thing, but before we put the glue, we're going to go ahead and cut it. We're going to cut it. We're going to put a little bit of glue inside. We're going to close it. And then we're going to close this here. We put our ring. So now we put our ring. And then we put the clasp, the lobster. Okay. And then we go ahead and close it up. So here we go. The bracelet is done. So now we're just going to go ahead and close it up. And there it is. Okay. Look at how pretty. Okay. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.